You're great.
Okay, there we go. We're filming now. So we've got to start. As I said, it's going to be some pretty heavy stuff. So we'll do an energiser, a warm-up, icebreaker, and we can close our eyes, or we could probably best to close our eyes, and we're going to each be a kind of animal, and we have to make the sound of that animal with our eyes closed and try and find the other person who is also that kind of animal. Are you okay with that, Anna-Use? Sorry, I should have introduced Anna-Use. Is that right, John? Is that...
It's closer.
It's closer. Anna-Use.
Anna-Use.
But don't do that. Don't touch your tail on the back of your teeth. Yeah.
Just call her Anna.
Annalise is John's daughter, and she'll be joining us today. Are you happy to be part of the icebreaker, to be an animal? You guys can just stay there and laugh at us because it'll all be really funny, I'm sure.
You want to do it this way?
No? Okay, right. So, you're a dog, you're a dog. You're a cat, you're a cat. You're a sheep, you're a sheep. You're a horse and you're a horse. Now, actually, the horses and the sheep can...
Do we need to mix around a bit so we can
Yep.
get
You can go over there, and whoever you are, you guys must... Right, shut your eyes. Start making the noise. Eyes closed. Stop it.
It's already gone, yeah.
Very quickly.
Did we all find a partner? I think we did. But there was
Stimulating and something
Ben was making a really quiet cat sound. And Chris was meowing. And Ben was purring. Which is not what I anticipated.
My partner dog was running away from me. He was too scared.
I kind of felt like a bit of a zombie. Man!
Okay, that's great. That's great. Righto.
Oh, that was good. That's really good.
So maybe now we can move our tables back into a position that we're comfortable sitting in,
What's on the
and we'll start going through some stuff.
Put your pussy noises. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Stop that.
Was it funny, honey? Was it funny?